Okay, final part. So last class we were reading about the strings methods. Okay. So actually today I wanted to tell you something important. Okay. So because Friday you're having time, Saturday, Sunday also having some time. Okay. So let me open the notepad. See, we are doing Python. Okay. Similarly, we have to have a basic knowledge on Excel. Basic knowledge of Excel means what? Example, I have suppose in one record, in one book, or example, in one sheet, example, this one sheet example, or one paper. I have some names A, B, C, D, E, F. These are some other names. Okay. I have one more sheet. One more paper is there. In that again, I have the some names. Okay. So there are how many sheets totally now? 2 sheets. So think now, example, these are 2 papers, one paper and second paper. How will the person know that you're in the second paper or not there? How will they know? Merging. How? Okay. Imagine, suppose it is your names example in one paper. One more paper is there having your name may be there or not be there. So how you are going to check whether their name is there in the second record or not there? If 4 or 5 names are there, you're going to check easy. How? By comparing like this, you're going to compare. But in the reality, suppose there are 100, 1,000, millions, or suppose thousands. How you're going to check? What shortcut key? Control F. Huh? Yeah. Got the point now what I'm asking? In one paper, I'm having your names. In one more paper, there is your names not there. Now, how will you check your name is there or not there? One way is what? Control F. Every time can you do Control F then check the records? 100% not possible. So in the Excel, you have to learn one topic. Okay, in Excel, you have to learn one topic. You can learn from YouTube or anywhere, called as what? VLOOKUP. Which concept? VLOOKUP. Suppose in the Pythons, we don't study string topic. Can I say no Python? No. Suppose if I teach only strings topic, I don't teach remaining topic. Still I can say I know Python. Yes or no? Yes. In Python, if I know string topic also, you can say I know Python. But if I don't teach strings topic, then it's impossible to do even a single line of code also. Similarly, in the Excel, you don't need to take total training of Excel again. You don't need to know anything in Excel. Only one topic you have to know in Excel. That one topic is what? VLOOKUP. What does VLOOKUP will do? It will compare both the sheets. In one paper, what will happen? Let me write over here. Dot diagram. Then I'll come to my conclusion there. So this one paper. Okay. A, B, C. One more there. B, C, suppose E, G, H. Now what names are matching here? A matching, B matching. I can keep it up and down because some people will think exactly should match again. I and your B. What are matching? A is there and what is there? B is there. But remaining are not there. Now only few are there. So what I'll do, I'll make one table. In that, I'll be using one concept called as what? VLOOKUP. And in the practical case, this is very, very important and will be used. Every project, any company, any waste company also. The only thing which they want in Excel is what? VLOOKUP. The remaining things, if you know, don't also find. Example, like filter commands, some average, blah, blah, topics are there. Okay. If you know, don't know also, it's fine. But the only thing which they want is what? VLOOKUP. Clear? Because you're going to keep in the resume there, na, MS Office. In the MS Office example, if I just mention, in MS Office, you have different versions. Different versions means what? Example. What do you mean by different versions? So every 5 years, example, 5 years or 2 years, anything, we have Microsoft Office 2003, then 6, then 7, 6, I don't know, 3, 7, 12, no, 3, 7, 13, 16, even 19. The one which I am using is 21. Okay. How can we check example? Yeah. How can we check example if I open my Excel there? Okay, if I open my Excel, go to account there, go to account. So I'm using the what? Okay, not the paid one, it is free one. Okay, so 21. So people, when they keep in the resume their MS Office, they even have to mention the year also. Is it 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, which they have to indicate. So suppose 21 will be having the latest features compared to what? 16. 16 will be having the latest features compared to what? 13. So every time you have to mention there which version have you used also. So in the Excel, you have to prepare one topic called as what? VLOOKUP. At least by Monday, you have to try once. Not getting it, I'll teach you. Okay. Then, similarly, I told you, where suppose if you pick up any programming language, with programming language, you can't do anything. We need one database. Okay, example, I'm telling you something. Whatever words I'm telling you, you want to make a note in one paper. Paper means what? One kind of a book again. It's one kind of a record. If you have only paper, no pen, can you again write? No. Similarly, we are learning Python. Okay. We require one kind of a database. One require what? One database to store the things. If you don't store, then nothing is possible again there. Okay. So does it mean again I have to learn one database language, SQL or something? Do you need to take a training? Then the answer is no. You can use one website which is going to convert your code into Excel, CSV, HTML, and SQL. Very important website in the world, I can say. The website name is what? Table Convert. In your life, don't forget this website, okay? Table Convert. Let me once open and show you once. See the screen? If I type here Table Convert, first one link only, okay? So I can drop from anywhere and keep it. Data will come over there. I can convert then into what? Template, LaTeX, SQL, HTML. Okay, example, if I pick up any record, I may have or not have. Don't know. Mostly I won't keep only. Still, I'm thinking I may have one file at least. Yeah, at least one file I have. Okay, example, 12 p.m. Python. So I have some of the names. See, these names came over here. Now, if I click on SQL, it has been converted into SQL. If I click on HTML, this will come in HTML. What I can do, suppose I can copy to clipboard, open the notepad, new, paste it over here, give the file name as what? Save any name, suppose HH or any name, blah, blah, dot HTML. I'm saving on what? Desktop. Save it. Open the file once. Over. Did I do anything HTML learning, anything coding? No. This website is very, very important. It can convert your code into HTML, SQL, Excel, CSV. What is CSV full form? CSV full form. Starting days only I'll tell these topics now. CSV stands for comma separated values. Make a note. Comma separated values. In Excel, we can store the file in two formats. Okay. In Excel, you can save the file in two formats. One of the format by default is what here? .xlsx is one format of the what? Excel file. The another format which we can save is what? .csv. If I have suppose joined a company and doing a project on Python, I may use the file called as what? CSV file only. Whatever data is there in the Excel, I'll be converting into what? CSV. The CSV full form is what? Comma separated values. This kind of files will be reading with the help of what? Pandas. With the help of Pandas, which is the last advanced topic we can say. Okay. So coming back here. So this table convert is one website. At least spend 4 or 5 hours on this one. Very important ones. If I scroll down, you may see here. CSV to Excel, Excel to ActionScript. There are many things which you don't know still. Excel to PDF, Excel to JPG. It's what? Excel file into image format, Excel file into PDF. Many things are there. Okay, then the last one, already you know, it is what? GitHub. Okay, in the GitHub, the one which are using is the free one. It is having no link with the real time. In the real time, it is totally different. Totally different in a sense, like what? Example, just now I have one, my system is open in front of you. Okay, online people cannot see. If I remove the cursor again, it will be blank there. So in the real time, the GitHub is different. Okay, in the real time, GitHub is what? Totally different. Here, what you're doing there, we're adding one file, modifying also. If something is wrong, we are deleting it. But in the real time, we won't be able to create a new one. We won't be able to modify it. We won't be able to delete it. What are going to do again there? Only fetching. Only what? Fetching. No downloading, nothing. Okay. Then suppose, and you have to stop using what? Notepad. Stop using what? Notepad. Notepad is no more being used in any company. We have to all shift to what? Notepad++. Okay, it is mandatory to use what? Notepad++. No one is using Notepad anymore. Okay, because in a normal Notepad, if I open, I'm getting any shortcuts, anything there, color change, anything change, or any shortcuts, anything, find anything there? No. But in the Notepad++, it is the advanced version. I can, if suppose just if I go to language here, I can do Python here. If I select suppose P, Python, PowerShell, many things are there. If I go to S, it is SQL, so and so thing. Even we do more advantage, or you can say advanced things in the Notepad++. Example like what? Suppose, okay. Example, I'm having this. Example, imagine this A, B, C, D, F as your names. Now, what I want after the every name one comma. So how? Think practically how? After A, I want comma, B after B, I want comma, C comma, D comma. I want like this. Then how? Thought of? Possible? No. Every time you're going there, keeping the comma, comma, comma. So this can be done with one concept called as regular expressions. What topic? Regular expressions. This regular expressions topic is there in Python also, in other languages also. But in the real time, in the company, they ask you regular expressions using Notepad++. Using Notepad++. Make a note of this one. Okay, so I'll give you the time by Monday at least. Monday, you can take up to Tuesday also. Or at least try to finish by this next week by 20th. So what is the thing? Why these regular expressions are important? Okay, example. I have A, B, C, D. Okay, some names are there. I want to get like this. I want A, then one blank line, B, one blank line, C, one blank line, D, one blank line, E, one blank line. I want like this. Here I have only 4 or 5 names. Okay, I'm able to do it. If I have 100 names, 200 names, 500 names, and 1000 names, possible? No. So this is what I just want to show you now. So you have to refer one website for learning the regular expressions in Notepad++. So see here now. Type here regular expressions in Notepad++. Open the first link, www.technicalrecipes.com. In this, you'll be having 16 questions. Rank there what? How many questions? 16. In the 16, at least if you try at least 9, 10 also is enough. 10 also is enough. What it says, example, first one example, I'll go with the second one. Insert a new line for every line of text. If I click on the second one, so for example, here some names are there: Andrew, Frederick, George, William, John, and Harold. How it want like this: Andrew, then one blank line, Frederick, one blank line. So he's using their what? Regular expressions, which is called as even as what name? Regex. Okay. So how we can do now? So open your Notepad++, what data you have, select them first of all. Select them, press Control F. Press what symbol? Control F. Then go to replace. Go to replace. In the replace, see, can you buttify this one? Dot, dollar, can you buttify? Impossible. Yes or no? Impossible. That's why daily you have to do. It means you not have to buttify. This you have to keep as a shortcut in a GitHub. So tomorrow, if I ask you, I want a comma after every word. So give for 10 minutes, I'll keep comma, 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 comma. If I say one blank line, then so give 1 hour, I'll do blank, blank, blank line. No. Okay. So what I'll do is, first of all, you cannot copy. Example, I'm copying and pasting example. I have copied, right click, copy. Coming here, I'm pasting it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it not work. I'm telling you. Sometimes it work, sometimes it not work. Better you always have to type here. One more. What it says here, replace it what? $1 \n. Kept it ready. Select what their regular expression. After making this one, click on. Suppose I just want for A only. Example, I want only for A. Then click on replace. I'll be getting only for A1. No, I want for all. You want for all. Select all of them. Click on replace all. Over. Like this, you have to try for at least 10 questions. At least what? 10. And this, I can guarantee give you in this 10, 15, you will be using at least 5 of them in the real time. At least 5 or 7 in the real time. Your manager or supervisor, anyone will ask you, make one file, have some names. Example, I have some names. Example, A, B, C, D. I want like this: A, the next line B, the next line C. That also we are having over here. Suppose below over here. Yeah. Suppose the cat like this I have. I want like this. Okay. I have to do this one. Okay. So like this, you try and be ready. I may ask you any question. What you have to do? Nothing. Don't buttify and come. Just open the regular expression, copy, paste it. That's it. But you have to remember which question been asked. Okay. You want blank line? Huh? Okay. Yeah. I have done that one. So I can go to this website. Remember, this website is the most visited website in the world, I can say. Okay. Any MNC company, Pakka, they will be using this website. Sometimes this website will hang also. Okay. Because it is not only for Notepad also. I have for different languages here. Are you able to see this left side logo? Load it up? No. Now, if again load now, you see once how the website will be there again. If I click on home, total advertisement, we're hanging for different things. Okay. So this website, you make a note down: technicalreceipts.com. In this one, what you have to learn? Regular expressions using Notepad++. At least 10. So can you finish with by this Monday? Possible? This Monday. Okay. Listen once again. What I want to first Excel learn VLOOKUP. Okay. And one thing I forgot. Yeah. Excel. See here. Excel is one. Table convert is one. GitHub is one. GitHub you're already keeping there. Then. This 4 you are going to keep in the skills. In the resume, you are having the skills there. In the skills, you don't mention just simply as a MS Office. First of all, MS Office, which version? 16 or 19, the confusion there. Company will think this fellow knows 7 old and even doubt is there. Suppose example I have mentioned as 17, example 17. Now there are many persons I can say who doesn't know Excel. In that I am also there again. Okay, I don't know Excel, remember. I don't know Excel. Because we'll think, what is the use of Excel? Something just table, rows, khatam, paste, work is over. But reality, Excel is different world again. Okay, basics if you're able to do, okay. Not able to do, then some problem. Then in the Excel, the only thing which you have to learn is what? VLOOKUP. This is one thing. So you have to mention in the skills as what? Excel VLOOKUP in the resume there. Now the company is hiring you will understand. Oh, in the Excel, he knows this VLOOKUP concept. That is what is my requirement there. So I'll pick it now. Because 99% of resumes will be what? Same only. All you mention MS Office. In MS Office, when they hire, they'll say, no, I don't know Excel. No, I don't know PowerPoint. No, I don't know Word. Yes or no? Will happen. 99% happen. So you don't need to take a coaching, all those things. Simply what you do, Excel, just mention the result, VLOOKUP. Then that person who is hiring you will not have a doubt. He will think like what, all things. Simple. Then second one you mention is what? Table convert. In the table convert, keep there. I can guarantee give you that person nearly, I think, suppose more than lakhs of people doesn't know about this website. Even starting me also, I didn't know about this website. I used to waste nearly hours of time to write one SQL query. I used to waste nearly 5-6 hours. But by using this website again after my senior school, 1 hour or within not in 1 hour also 10 minutes work is done. 5 hours work I used to do in what now? 10 minutes. So in the bracket you keep as there what? HTML. I can do HTML now with the help of this website. I can do HTML, SQL, CSV, even the Excel also. Even some people having JSON also, that also other programming languages also they can do. That means what? Indirectly you learn these languages also without knowing also, at least basics. GitHub, what you're doing is a basic one. You're going to keep that link in the resume there. Then the final thing which you need is what? Regular expressions in the Notepad lessons. This thing you have to compulsory add in the skills. In the resume, you're going to have a heading called as skills. We are going to keep these things. Clear? Okay, fine. Then strings topic, I want to continue Monday topic that okay. For this, I have not told. Only for you, I'm telling you. Go to this website called as Mode. Okay. There is a website called as what? Mode.com. You have to sometimes. Okay. They're having the Python, SQL. So just, I don't want to go in depth there. Visit this website, make a note of this website, mode.com. Okay. In this one, I want you to try at least Excel or SQL or anything. You first try the SQL because Python are already doing here. Okay. Try it what? SQL. You have to first of all be signed in. Okay. Either this one. No, not feeling okay. You can go with what? Just what? Learn Python. So what are topics are doing there? You can try over here. Don't do all topics in one day. Not possible also. At least in 1 week or whatever it is, you do 100 topic. Because it is for different purpose. What it says here? But reality required. Okay. So this code mode.com is one website. Then one more website for learning SQL. If you're having interest in learning SQL, make a note of this website called as Learn SQL. The first link. Where? Why it is coming like this? Okay. Dataschool.com. Dataschool.com. Dataschool.com/learn SQL/. Okay. For Python, already referring some of the websites. What are the websites you're referring for Python? You are referring for the Python what? These links. W3 schools is one you're referring. 95 questions, I think all have done. Then you're referring what? HackerRank. Those are not started HackerRank. At least start now, at least. In HackerRank, you have to do at least what? 10 programs will be more than enough. Then in the CodeChef, at least 2 programs, not more than 2, at least 2, minimum 2 programs are required in the CodeChef. Okay, because CodeChef is actually meant for NIT and IIT people only. Okay, because the level of questions is very difficult, we can say, compared to the normal basics. Then another one, most important is what? CodeGreeper. One more website. Programming 1-on-1. Then one more also. Remember, every Friday you have to make what? Summary of the topics what you have done in the last previous classes. Monday what topic done, everything you have to mention in the Fridays. Make one notepad file or anything file, have a summary of it. Summary means what? Not everything in detail. Monday this topic over, Tuesday this topic over, so answer like this you maintain. It will be a refresh when you're again preparing some of the concepts. Okay. Then one more website you forgot is what? AskPython.com. Yes or no? Told or not told? Not told, huh? Okay, just I'll show you the websites here. AskPython.com. Okay. Example, you are doing the strings topic. Type your strings, str strings, or total strings will you type. At least 1 or 2 programs, check them. Okay, many will be available. Okay, so what is one more website is what? AskPython.com. So this 5 links and that one SQL, those links will be more than enough. Okay, so yeah, this is one thing. Then tomorrow I'll be telling you about these 2 things again. Tomorrow one is Dropbox is one more. What about this PCP? Till where it came? All kept photos. Okay. Programming started, not started, not program, at least MCQs. Reading only still. Little bit fast. Okay, fast forward it. At least this MCQs is solved, please. Okay, everyone solve those MCQs. MCQs are very important from the PCP. What is the website name? edubay.org. Okay. Then one more I have to tell. Let me recollect once. Many things I'll keep in mind. Again, I will forget. Dropbox is one. Yeah. I think some still people are not able to open their code in the mobile. Okay. So you have to install one app called as CodeViewer. Okay. Then if sometimes I'll be sending the file in the zip file instead of sending multiple 30, 40 files or 15 files like this, I'll be sending a zip file. So if you want to open a zip file in the mobile, you have to install this app called as ZAchiever. Then one more, Google Drive. Also, you have to have an idea. I think Google Drive already are having some idea. Okay, because in the Google Drive only, you're going to keep your recorded videos, all those things over there. Okay. Something I'm forgetting. This much. Okay, so this is the tomorrow's one. I'll just say Dropbox, how to create a Dropbox, and these things. Fine. And those are still not started the string methods. Once start the string methods because already I'm starting the string methods. Yes or no? So when I'm teaching that topic, you have to able to at least some knowledge you have to share from your side. The string methods. How many methods are there in the strings? How many are there? 47. In 47, how many we done? No, I didn't count. 6, huh? Only 6. I think more than 6. Okay, whatever it, I don't remember actually. But in 47, at least we have to know at least what? 25 to 27 at least. Okay. Fine. So today you start, first of all, today this one. Regular expressions in what? Notepad++. Okay, fine. Let me save this one. Then this one, any doubt is there? VLOOKUP you try, not able to get it, I'll try to explain once. Okay, possible. Or else at least you need to watch at least 2-3 videos. Okay, then you'll get a proper understanding of the VLOOKUP. Fine. When I'm starting SQL, I'll just inform when I'm starting the SQL also. Okay, I'll stop it till here. And yeah, tomorrow at least update your GitHub accounts. Tomorrow I am going to check with your usernames. Almost 1 week over now. Middle. So let me check your GitHub accounts also, how much programs have done or those not done. Okay, if not done, at least today try to finish it. Or tomorrow try to finish it. Pending task, anything is there, finish it then, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, I'm stopping it now, okay?